Hi, I'm Lo and this is a tutorial on this pink pin-up look. This is perfect for any party. So first off with the eyes, we're going in with a matte nude shade. And you're just buffing this all over the lid. Next we're going to go in with like a tan matte neutral shade just into the crease of the eye. This is just going to start adding a little bit of shape before we'll pop in a darker shade. Next I'm taking a deeper pinky mauve matte shade and we're going to take that in the outer corner and into the crease. Next we're taking a matte black just into the very outer corners. Just a tiny bit to add a little more shape to the eye. To get that famous pin-up wing, we're going in with a felt tip liner. To keep a really wide-eyed look, I'm just going to take that matte mauve shade that we used in the crease and take it just under the eye in the outer halves. For the inner corner highlight, I'm going to take a cream shadow. This is just a nice light shimmery one. Now time to lash on the mascara and put on your favourite false lashes. And then we're sculpting out the face with a contour cream. Going under the cheekbones, around the forehead, and a little bit on the nose. And remember to take your big brush and buff it all out. To get your glow on, we're going to take liquid highlighter drops and just dab them onto the face with your finger. You only need a tiny bit. For lips, we're going in with a pink lip kit. First, always lip liner. Then we're going in with a liquid lipstick. And we're going to finish it all off with an illuminating finishing spray. And just close. And that's the finished look. I hope you've enjoyed this pink pin-up makeup look. We have chosen to put it with the Ann Summers bunny outfit. For more tutorials, head to Ann Summers' YouTube channel.